Hello, I'm Owen, the engineer of Nuvoton technology. Welcome to this tutorial of the Nu-Link2-Pro embedded NuTrace Macrocell. It covers the hardware setup and ETM settings for Nu-Link2-Pro. Nu-Link2-Pro supports the ETM function that can show every single executed instruction in the current application to PC. To start ETM tracing on Nuvoton Cortex M4 and 23 devices, please connect to the device using the Nu-Link2-Pro with 20-pin connector as shown in figure. Open the template in M480 BSP. Using the template project as an example, go to Debug Setting dialog. Select the Trace tab. Select Trace Enable and ETM Trace Enable. In Trace port, select Sync Trace port with 4 bits data. Click OK to save the changes. Build and download code to target chip. After doing the settings, start the debugger first. In debug mode, select Debug, NuTrace to evoke the trace information dialog. When the program hits the breakpoint, it will show every single executed instruction in the current application. You can find this tutorial from our official website. Enter the URL www.nuvoton.com. Move the cursor to the Software and the Tool, Hardware Development Tool, then click Nu-Link2-Pro, then click ETM Settings. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.